Good morning. What's going on? Geez, it feels weird to be talking back into the camera again, but here we are, 5:30 in the morning, back in the shed. That can only mean one thing. Yes, it is 86 Fest 2024, my favourite day of the year. This year we're actually trailering up the car. Now, we don't usually trailer this car up because it's always just doesn't give us bother. Drive it to the track, drive it home, but unfortunately the car is a small bit sick at the minute, so we're going to trailer it up this year just in case. This year should be really good. There should be some load of people, some load of drivers. We're going meeting up with the Juice Box lads now shortly. We're going to spin up with them. This is going to be an action-packed video, I hope. I'll try to remember to keep picking up the camera all day and record as much as I can, but yeah, let's get this car hooked up to the van and let's get going. Good morning. No. Carney's not a morning person.
No.
Right, that's us all loaded up, ready to go. Boys, watch that van, in all fairness. Little trailer, I mean. Excited about today now. Jeez, the lighting is so bad here. Yeah, no, I'm very excited about today now. Hopefully everything goes smooth. This car is getting sick. It's down on compression. I'm not worried. Put a bottle of Luke's into it, so basically it has all its compression back. So just double check the shed, make sure I don't have forgotten. I can't even talk in camera anymore. Make sure I'm not forgetting that else. And yeah, let's get going. Right, so we have just left the shed. We are packed up on the side of the road waiting for Sean. Now, most normal people I know bring one trailer and one car, but Sean is not like other people. Sean just does silly things. If anyone knows any of his Jeep builds, so Sean decided to bring a fucking nearly an Arctic trailer on the back of a Jeep with his new drift car and his twin cam on. Waiting to see this thing come down the road. I'm actually looking forward to seeing how big this setup looks, because it's going to take us about 3 years to get up the road. In all fairness, watch the size of this. Just while he's getting a head start, isn't it? Because I'm going to catch up with him. Watch. Let's go there.
I'm dying.
Anyway, we're after arriving at Mondello, as you can tell. Cars. So what they're doing now is grip session is out first, so we're going to go out and warm up the cars. Connor,
look at me, I never thought I'd have a driver's wristband at AE86 Fest, but
so
here we go.
Connor's going driving the Sleekit today, which you would have seen on the channel previously. It's his mother's car. She trusts him to bring it out for today.
Well, I built the thing, so
yeah. Oh, built it. But anyway, so what we're going to do is go out for grip first, and then I'm not sure what way we're going to manage this camera during the day. I think when I'm out for a drift, sometimes Connor is going to try to get some footage, and then we'll get some in-car footage, and we'll just see how it goes. So let's go. Bye.
Right, so we went out for our first drift session today. Ready to go?
I am born ready. I'm over here. Hello.
So yeah, there's some lot of cars up here this year. Well, you can't see them all, but they're there. Trust me. Push up, let this leave. Boys, we're dead. You have them on the side now. Right, on the inside, on the inside. When you have them. I haven't the power now. You haven't them, you don't. You don't have them.
Right, so you can probably tell from me just cutting into this video from being in Mondello that we're after forgetting the forgot to charge it for the camera. Just us being us, it was so busy, just so much going on. I was out on track, the boys were in, but sure, the lads were. Connor was out for a grip in the Celica. Yeah, I was going off then, cameras in the van. Just, it was a big ordeal, but look, hopefully you after seeing a bit anyway. But so the car is after surviving anyway. We didn't really break anything bar the exhaust. So what we're after breaking is the flexi off the exhaust, and you won't mind, we actually only broke that loading onto the trailer, so it actually went fair good. The only other issues we had is oil. Like, you can't see it now because the light, but there's actually oil all over the bay. So that was the only question we had. We knew this was going to be a problem going up there, but we didn't really care because we just went up to send it. This was meant to be its last outing, but we're going to go get it ready for LZ Fest. Bring it up. We don't know if we're driving it. Could be just on display for the day. So that's the plan. And I also have a new product that I want to show you. So many people are asking for some merch for the 180. So this is the new design merch. This is live on the website now, and with every t-shirt you buy you get a free DJ.
Oh man, I come shipped straight to your door. I'll put the t-shirt on you.
Tell me you weren't drinking last night.
I wasn't drinking last night.
Yeah, say that. Keep them sunglasses on you. So yeah, these, I'll show the front actually. We kind of changed up the front design.
Buy a t-shirt, save a hangover.
Yeah. So these are the new t-shirts, these are live. So for every t-shirt you buy, we just throw it straight back into this channel. So we appreciate it. For anyone that's actually after coming over and buying t-shirt stuff so far, even on Mondello, like people asking to get pictures and stuff the other day, that's still kind of weird, but it's really cool at the same time. So yeah, I really hope you like the new design, and
I think it's serious.
I think it's smashing.
I love it.
So I know this is going to be a very short video. As I said, it goes from us being in Mondello to us being in the shed within 3 minutes, but look, you know what goes on. You have to seen us up Mondello enough. So
we're busy, like, we haven't time.
We
have, I mean,
boys,
just
we
haven't
time.
time.
Hey, listen, I haven't time to talk to you any longer.
No,
so on that note, if you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe.
Go on.